Welcome! In front of me I have FITBIT Inspire 3 and I'm gonna show you how to enable and how to disable the water lag mode on this smartband. First we need to wake up the screen on our smartband, and you can do it by pressing the touch sensitive buttons on the sides of your band. Press both of them at the same time to wake up the screen. After you wake up the screen, you can swipe down on the screen to scroll through the menu like this. Find the water lag mode icon, and to enable the mode simply tap on this icon and then double tap firmly on the screen to turn it on. And once you see lagged on the screen, it means that the water lag mode is enabled. Also, you will see on the screen right here that it is. And what this mode does is basically it partially disables the touchscreen. So if you're wearing your smartband and you're taking a shower or swimming with your smartband on, it will prevent the mistouches on the screen, and your smartband won't go crazy when you're in water. And to disable the mode, you can simply tap on the screen or double tap on the screen firmly. Like that. You need to tap, double tap to wake up the screen, and then double tap firmly to unlock it. And as you can see now, we can use the touch screen. And that's how you enable and how you disable the water lag mode on this smartband. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.